Hello guys, welcome to another video blog by Mrs. Lemos. The question that I want to ask today is, what is better? Knowing how to get the answer or actually having the right answer? So if you were to ask me, when I'm solving a math problem, what would be better? Is it better to know the answer of a problem, or is it better to have the right answer of a problem, or is it better to know the steps in solving the problem even if you get the problem wrong? So I've always been a firm believer of you gotta get the answer, no matter what. Take the shortcut, gotta get the answer. But throughout the years, as I've been a mathematician now since first grade, I guess you could say, since I learned to add and subtract and then moved on from there, I believe that knowing how to solve the problem is actually better. Having the right answer is important, and probably even knowing the shortcut is important, but at the same time, shortcuts don't really help you understand how to put together a problem. So later in life, you may not be solving algebra problems for a living, or that may not be your career, or that may not be how you pay your bills or how you go to work every day. But knowing the steps and actually going through the journey of learning how to solve math problems helps you at a greater scale when you're older. Now, a lot of the times it's hard to put yourself in that position because you're really 12 years old. Okay, I definitely was like that when I was 12. Didn't really think, how is this going to affect me later? And when I'm an adult, it's like trillions of years from now. But at the same time, knowing how to solve a problem, knowing the steps, being able to manipulate and be able to creatively solve problems helps you way more than just knowing the shortcut, just knowing how to solve that particular problem, because that helps in the short term, but a more long-term skill that is better and could actually be applied to more parts of your life is knowing how to solve the problem. So again, if you ask me what is better, knowing or having the right answer in a math problem, is that better than knowing how to solve it or not? My answer is it's more important to know how to solve the problem. So now that I've told you my perspective, what is your perspective? Do you think that it is more important to know how to solve the problem or to actually have the right answer? Because, getting 100% on the test is definitely important. So what do you think?